In this video, we are going to make a portfolio where we will use the links, the head, the paragraph, the list, and the footer, plus the styles that we already learned in the previous lectures. So let's see how we can build this beautiful portfolio in our HTML. So let's start by creating our doc type first, then our HTML tag, and after that our head section. In the head section, the first thing that I'm going to type is the title, which would be portfolio website. Save. Let's refresh. Okay, now let's create our body section. So the first thing in the body section is to write our headers, and inside the header I will create an h1 tag with the text of my portfolio. Then we will create a nav for our link. So let's type nav, and inside here let's create our link. The first one would be for my about. So let's type about here. Another a tag for our project. So let's type project and project. Then finally the last link for our about section. So sorry, for our contact section. So let's type contact, and in here let's type contact. Okay, our links are also ready. Now after the head, let's create our main section. So in the main, first I will create a section with the ID of about. Then in here I will create an h2 tag for about me, and below this let's create a p for paragraph. Now let's write some text in here. Let's type, for example, I am a web developer with a passion for creating clean and responsive website. Now another section for our project. So let's type section, and in here we will type h2 tag projects. Let's give them a ID also, ID of projects. Then in here, let's create an unordered list with UL tag, and inside here, let's list our projects. So let's type project 1 personal blog, another list project 2 e-commerce website, and finally let's add one more project in here, project 3 portfolio portfolio website. Okay, our main section is finished. Now let's add a footer. So after the main, let's type here footer and give them an ID of contact. Then inside our footer, we will create a paragraph tag and say contact me at, and we will create a link with the href to mail to. So when you use mail to, it will open up pop up where users can directly email to you guys. So we will say mail to, and we will type a email address, for example your email address. So let's type your name at example.com, and for the text we are going to write the same thing, your name at example.com. Okay, our footer is also ready, our links are also ready. Now let's give this portfolio some styles to make it look beautiful. So let's scroll up inside our head section. In here let's create a style tag, and first of all let's create a style for our whole body, and change the font to Arial. So we will type font family Arial and sans serif. This is the font. And now let's change the margin and padding both of them to 0. So let's type margin to 0 and padding as well to 0. Now after that we are going to create a style for our header and change it the background color to hash OCAF50. Save. Okay, it's changed. Now let's change the text color also to white and text align to center. Finally, padding to 20 pixels. Okay, our edge section styles are done. Now let's give a style to our nav and our links. So first of all, I am going to create a style for my navs. So nav display flex justify content to center, and finally the gap should be 15 pixel between each of them. So let's save. Yeah. Now let's give a style for our links also. So in here, let's say nav space a, and finally inside here we are going to say the color should be y. The text, there should be no text decoration, so none, and finally font weight to bold. Save. Okay, now they look much better. Now time for to add styles for our sections. So let's scroll down, and in here let's write section. Then for our section we will set the margin to 20 pixels, padding also to 20 pixels, and finally border to 1 pixel solid, and the color should be DDD white. Okay, it's also looking good. Only a style for our footer is pending, so let's add a style for our footer also. Let's type here footer, and for the footer we will say text align should be center, padding 10 pixels, background color should be F1. Let's add our ash also here, and finally margin top should be 20 pixels. Save everything. Okay, so now let's make it bigger. So this is our portfolio where the users can click and view all the links that they want, and also when they want to email you they can just click this one and it will show this, where they can directly send an email to you guys. So this is it for this video. See you guys in the next video.